Denali stock stumbles. Why genetic isn't the only Alzheimer's game under stress. The Food and Drug Administration placed Denali Therapeutics Alzheimer's test on hold Thursday, sending DNLI stock into a dive. Denali, its partner Takeda Pharmaceutical, are testing a drug that targets TREM2, a gene tied to Alzheimer's disease. The FDA didn't provide the reason for the clinical hold. Denali said it expects to receive an official letter in roughly 30 days. Then, it can begin to address the FDA's concern. In response, DNLI stock tumbled 11.6% near 34.10 in midday trading on today's stock market. DNLI stock, Takeda signs on to drug. Denali and Takeda's drug attempts to activate TREM2. The gene is essential for the health of microglia, a type of immune cell that plays a role in brain infections and inflammation. Mutations in that gene are associated with an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease, Denali said. The company submitted its request to begin human testing late last year. Denali hoped to begin its test in the first half of 2022 and expected to have initial test results in the latter half of the year. DNLI stock gapped down on the news Thursday. Shares are already trading well below their 50-day and 200-day moving averages, according to MarketSmith.com. Biogen CEO slams coverage decision. The disappointing DNLI stock news comes shortly after the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services restricted coverage for Biogen's Alzheimer's drug, Aduhelm. Regulators said they would only cover the cost of Aduhelm for patients enrolled in clinical studies. Aduhelm works differently from Denali's drug. It removes built-up plaque in the brains of Alzheimer's patients, known as beta amyloid. But Biogen still has to prove doing so leads to a cognitive benefit. The decision impacts all drugs in the same amyloid-blocking class, but Biogen's is the only one approved so far. Eli Lilly is hoping to follow with a drug called donanemab. CMS won't finalize its decision until April. Biogen chief executive Michel Vounatsos said Thursday the current proposal would promote inequality between patients. Only those who live near a test site would be able to access Aduhelm. We believe this would also set a dangerous precedent as a matter of policy and discourage investment in future innovation for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease, he said in remarks to analysts Thursday. It is important for innovators to know that they can rely on the FDA's evaluation and determination of patient benefit risk. Unlike DNLI stock, however, Biogen stock climbed Thursday. Shares popped 6% near 238.80. Follow Alison Gatlin on Twitter at @IBD_Gatlin.